Check that out. Bangkok peanut sauce. Zangs. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna cube these steaks up and we're gonna discata them. You wanna call it that on the wok. And we got some fettuccine, and Gigi's going to make that inside. We got an onion, little olive oil, and my new knife. Right there, check it out. All right, let's get this thing wrapped together and find out if this is good or if it stinks. Hey folks, it's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. This is another episode of Papa's Kitchen. Yeah. Look at that. Through the magic of time, it's diced up already. Let's get to the wok. Alright, here we go. A lot of onions there. Let it cook. Alright, so if I can find a link to it, I'll call it peanut sauce link down below and I'll send you there. I was trying to decide whether to put this on the noodles or put this on the meat. Oh wow. Whew! I better cook. Wash it up, wash it up. Woo! Get the strong on. We're gonna call that done. Get the noodles. Fettuccine. Check that out. So let's try it. It's Papa's Kitchen. Alright, here goes nothing. I did not put the sauce on the noodles. See what we got here. Get my fettuccine, if I can keep it up. It's a little different. Yeah. Would I buy it again? Probably not. But you gotta try it every once in a while, don't you? Again, Bangkok. Again, Tsang's Bangkok peanut sauce. I don't know if I'd dip in it or. Is it interesting? Flavor. Thank you for joining me. Hit that bell for Papa. And we'll see you on the next one. It's Papa Texas, Papa's Kitchen. See ya.